With an altitude of more than 3,000 meters, Luleng town in Nyingchi city in China's Tibet was jointly built by Tibet and Guangdong province. It has become a popular tourist destination since its completion in October 2016. Hu Shungying is an official aiding Tibet. Since he began working in Tibet 8 years ago, he has witnessed a tourism boom in Luleng. Currently, there are more than 100 family homestays here.
但小镇建成以后，特别是我们扎西岗村，是家家户户住民宿，远见服务的一些提升，个性化的一些服务的配套，它的收入比原来是成几倍的增长。
Local residents not only enjoy the benefits brought by tourism, but also the convenience brought by improved infrastructure.
医院、学校、银行，我们全部都有，就是一个新的小镇，所有应有的市政设施全部有。之前啊，我们所有的那个小孩都跑到8亿去上小学，现在这个小学的那个教学体量在我们整个林芝市里面都是不爬前的。